I tried Everstake wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Everstake app, I thought it was just another staking platform. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Everstake isn't about quick profits, it's about building trust and stability in a space that often lacks both. On day 1, I discovered that Everstake isn't limited to one blockchain. It supports over 70 networks, including Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Cosmos. That means you can stake multiple assets from one dashboard, all managed by a professional validator trusted by millions. By day 2, I tested staking Solana. Process was seamless. Choose your token, select a validator and confirm. Rewards started accumulating automatically, and you can track them live inside the app. Most people get this wrong. They assume staking means locking funds for months. But with Everstake, many assets let you unstake or withdraw with flexible terms. Midweek, I looked into their transparency. Everstake publishes performance stats and validator uptime, proving they actually earn your rewards through real validation, not hidden middlemen. They even work with major blockchain foundations like Near and Polkadot, something few platforms can say. By day 6, I realized that Everstake isn't just a wallet, it's a gateway to passive income across the crypto world, designed for both beginners and long-term holders. After 7 days, the shocking truth is this: Everstake's strength lies in its reliability. It focuses on steady, sustainable staking rather than hype-driven yields. If you want to grow your crypto portfolio the smart way with proven validators and transparent results, Everstake might be your safest bet in a risky market. It's simple, secure, and built for people who believe in the long game of blockchain.